In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quantity option in Squarespace services. We're going to take a service product and give customers a simple quantity selector, along with the right pricing for each quantity. Squarespace doesn't have a dedicated quantity control for services, so we'll repurpose product variants to behave like a quantity dropdown. By the end, you'll have options for 1, 2, or 3, each with its own price. Start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard and sign in if you're not already. From there, click Dashboard to open the main console. Now choose Go to Website for the site you want to update. In the left-hand navigation, open Website, then find and select Products and Services. Inside that section, click Products. You should see tabs or filters for different product types. Switch to Services so you're only looking at your service listings. Open the service you want to edit. In this example, I'm selecting a service called Package of 8 Lessons, but choose whichever service you want to sell in multiple quantities. Hover over the item, click the three dots to reveal more actions, and select Edit to open the product editor. Inside the editor, go to the Variants section. This is where we'll create options that act like our quantity choices. Click Add to create a new option set. You'll see preset option types like size or color. Choose color for now, we're just using it as a placeholder, and then select Custom to rename it. Change the option name to Quantity so it's clear to your customers. Next, enter the option values as separate entries for 1, 2, and 3. Keep these as simple numeric values so the selector is easy to understand. When those three values are added, click Save to create the variants. Now that the quantity options exist, we need to price each one correctly. Still in the variants area, click Edit All so you can adjust pricing in a single view. Find the price column. You'll likely see a default price such as P320 Pauser applied to each variant. Click into the price for the quantity of 1 and keep it at P320 Tauser if that's your base price. Then click into the price for the quantity of 2 and change it to 520. This gives a small discount for purchasing 2. Next, click into the price for the quantity of 3 and update it to 720. That way, buying more feels like a better deal. Double check that your currency symbol is correct and that each row clearly corresponds to the right quantity value. When the prices look good, click Save to confirm the changes. That's the essential setup. We added a quantity selector by creating a custom variant called Quantity, entered 1, 2, and 3 as options, and used Edit All to assign prices of P320 dollars, P520 dollars, and P720 dollars, respectively. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. First, keep the option name lowercase or title case consistently, quantity or quantity, so it looks clean on your product page. Second, if you have multiple services, repeat this approach for each item where you want a quantity selector. Third, consider rounding your prices and maintaining a clear discount pattern. Customers quickly understand tiered pricing when it follows a simple logic. Finally, if you don't immediately see the quantity drop-down on the live page, refresh your browser cache or check your product visibility and page section settings to make sure the service block is pulling in the updated item. That's it. You've turned variants into a clear quantity option for your service, complete with tiered pricing. Save your changes, publish if prompted, and your customers can now select 1, 2, or 3 right from the service page.